Hello everyone, welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. Guys, I had posted on YouTube that I was going to go to a grand opening for Daiso, and I was very disappointed. It is a very small store, and they don't even have not even 3/4 of the crafting things that the regular larger size stores have. So I was very disappointed. But I'm going to show you because I hauled mostly for you guys, because yes, I am going to have a giveaway. So let me make a little space here so I can move things out of the way. So first of all, I have 2 grandkids that are Lego fanatics. So I always pick up a little package of these little, little Lego sets for them, bootleg Lego sets for them. And this one's for my granddaughter and this one's for my grandson. So they just love to put these together. But anyway, so these are the 2 items that I picked up for them. And then I want to say the rest of it, almost all of it, is for you guys. So I picked up this really pretty trim. It's got the sequins on there. That's really pretty. So I did pick up one of those. This is for you guys. And I like those colors. Okay, so there's that for you guys. And then I also picked up this, it says lace sticker, and they're really pretty. These I did pick up for me. Sorry guys. So I did get these for me because, I use these colors quite a bit. So these are mine, but I did pick those up. Those are pretty. Another thing that I got for you guys was some double-sided tape. Okay, this was the only size that they had, which is the 20 millimeter. I don't even know how much that is in terms of our size. 3/4 inch tape. So this is for you guys, both of them, because I have plenty right now. So I do not need any of those. And then one thing that I picked up as well is this cutter knife. I did get one for me and I've been using it and I love it. Oh my gosh, I love it. So I cut some wood with this, the really thin wood planks, but it cuts really well. So I got one of these for you guys for the giveaway. And another thing I got was the embroidery floss, for the tassels that are out there. I don't typically make tassels, so I thought I would pick this up and give this away because the colors are so pretty. So this will be included in the giveaway. And what else did I get? Hang on guys. So okay, so I did get some of this. This one I got for me because I have a project that I need this craft tape for. So this, I just thought, $1.50, I can use this. I have a couple of boxes that I have not put together because I wanted to get some of the craft tape. This is, I'm thinking it's that paper, that paper tape in the craft color. So this one I did get for me. And I also got you guys some of these cute, oh my gosh, these are so adorable. These little bows, oh my gosh, they are so cute. I couldn't leave them on the pegboard. I had to pick them up, and I will be sending this off. I'm going to give this away as well. And I did see a couple of punches. So this one's a little bow, and this one's a corner punch. So I think I really like this little bow, and the corner punch I think would be good for the smaller pieces of cardstock that we typically use for, you know, like for the cut aparts, you know, the 3x4s or 2x3s or whatever sizes that we get. I think this would be good for that. So I got the corner punch and I got the little bow. That's for you guys. And then I also got this box. Isn't that cool for an embellishment box? Because it's got different size compartments. And I don't want to open it because, you know, it's not for me. So it's got the little movable sections in there. These little sections, you can make your compartments bigger or smaller. And I thought that was, you know, we do make a lot of embellishment boxes. So I'm going to give this away because I have some of my own. And actually that was it, guys, for a Daiso. So after that, my niece and I, because my niece went with me, we went to Dollar Tree. And I said, well, let me pick up a few things for the giveaway. So one of the things that I picked up was I picked up this glue. Now, I have never used this glue, so I'm hoping that whoever gets it will tell me how well it works. And then this little bottle of tacky glue. So one that I've never used, one that I've used before. I know the tacky glue is good. There's that one, so you will get that as well. And then I picked up 2 of the little lanterns, and I got one for me and I got one for you guys. I'm going to alter mine, so I figured that I would get one for you guys, and whoever gets that can alter it and make it look a lot more festive. I don't think I'm going to leave these little panels in there on mine, but you know, that way you can alter that. So that'll be for you guys. And then I also picked up, I know these are hard to find, so I got a package of the pump spray bottles, and this will be in the giveaway. And then I got 2 of the jewel border stickers, and these colors are new. I had never seen either color, so I thought I would pick up one of each for you guys. And then I also got, it says pop dot tape, but it's more, you know, a runner. It's not a runner, but one continuous roll in 3 different widths. I don't know what the sizes are. Oh, 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch. I don't know what that is, but anyway, so let me see, let me measure this for you guys. So this one, the top one is 1/4 inch. The next one is 1/2 inch and another 1/2 inch. So 2 1/2 inch and 1/4 inch. That'll be for you guys. So that is what I picked up for you guys. Oh, I did get one more thing for me. I got 3 of these little boxes. Guys, I want to make the little 3-tiered cart that looks like the Rascog, but I wanted mine out of wood. So I had been holding out and not making one out of paper or, you know, cardstock, because I wanted a wooden one. So I got 3 of these, and I will be making me a little, you know, 3-tiered cart with mine. I'm gonna see if I can't find, you know, some little casters, you know, tiny ones to put at the bottom and everything. So I got 3 of those for me. So again, I am going to show you everything that you guys are getting on this and this and this and then that. Okay, so I am going to of course you have to be a subscriber. Let me tell you what the rules are going to be. You have to be a subscriber, a visible subscriber. You have to leave me a comment in this video. I don't care what you say, as long as it's some kind of a comment. And then let me see, this is open to US residents only. I'm sorry if you're not in the US. a U.S. resident, 18 or older, and then I'm going to leave this open until November the 12th. I'm going to leave this open until November the 12th. All right, guys, I'm going to put this in a box and have it ready to go. That way, on the day of the drawing, it will be ready to go. And hopefully the person that wins this will get in touch with me really fast. You're going to have probably 2 days to get in touch with me. So, but I'll make that that announcement once I go ahead and get a winner. All right, guys, that was my haul, and I hope you enjoyed all the goodies that I picked up for you, because honestly, I got very little for me because I was so disappointed. I couldn't even shop comfortably over at the Dollar Tree. So anyway, guys, I will talk to you later. Thank you so much for watching, for your support. I appreciate all of you guys. Y'all have a wonderful, wonderful day. Thanks a lot, guys.